Hi there, students. Voluble. Okay, voluble is an adjective. You could have volubly, the adverb. Okay, if you use voluble to describe a person, you're saying that they talk a lot with lots of enthusiasm and very energetically. So he talked volubly about his children, enthusiastically and at great length. Yeah, she is a voluble, likable person. Yeah, she's very talkative. She's very forthcoming. Okay. The couple next door to me in the restaurant were talking volubly. Another couple were arguing volubly. Okay, so voluble. Talking fluently and easily about a subject, and very often a bit loudly as well. So it's got the idea of a bit of volume as well. Okay, so voluble, speaking a lot, speaking confidently, speaking with energy and enthusiasm. Saying things quite forcefully. So he argued his point volubly. Yeah, they were having a voluble argument. Okay, so expressed readily and easily and fluently. Although voluble is nearly always positive, but maybe he was volubly loquacious. Maybe he talked a little bit too much. Yeah, but normally voluble is fluent. Yeah, an easy flow of speech. Yeah, something that you can say very easily. Now notice as well, you can also use this adjective voluble to mean something that spins or rotates, although I think this is quite unusual. The central parts of the mechanism are voluble, they are rotating. Yeah, I think I would use rotating instead though. I think it's quite an unusual word to use for to spin. Okay, so voluble, talkative, loquacious, articulate, fluent. Yeah, to have the gift of the gab. Yeah, he's a voluble, gregarious young chap. He's very chatty. Yeah, he likes to talk to people. Okay, so if somebody is voluble, you're using this to describe a person. This is saying they find it easy to talk. If you want to be a presenter on television, you need to be quite a voluble person. Yeah, for example, to be a DJ, you need to be voluble. Yeah, you need to have lots of things to say and find it easy to say different things in quite an excited way. Yeah, so yeah, I think DJs are pretty voluble in the way they talk. Yeah, he presented the program volubly, excited, motivated, but with lots and lots of words coming easily. Okay, so this is the idea of voluble. Formality. This is a rather formal literary word. I think I'm going to give it 6.5 in formality. Informally, talkative, loquacious, something like that. Voluble. You could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think better semi-formal writing, particularly something literary or something very formal. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from volubilis in Latin, meaning rolling, from volvo, I roll. Yeah, be careful because it's certainly in Spanish the idea of voluble or voluble is somebody who changes their mind. So it's maybe a bit of a false friend, although it comes both words come from the same root. Okay, so to speak volubly, fluent and excited and energetic and enthusiastic talking. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Voluble.